Okay, now chances are good. You can see what's going on here. Alright, we got some honey at the top of the frame. We got some capped brood, both sides. They're eating the honey actively. Again, honey crown, lots of capped brood, some cell cleaning going on. Wow. Now if I could only find a queen cell, I'd use one of these frames in that other hive, but I don't see a queen cell here yet. I'll tell you what though, I am liking this frame for a transfer because it is full of all the good stuff. We've got some nectar, we've got some pollen, we've got some very active bees. So just carefully double checking to make sure I don't see a queen in here. We're going to go ahead and give this frame to that queenless hive that we have over there. So bear with me while we walk over here. I'm going to put this down for just a minute.